The butcher bird, also known as the shrike, is a predatory bird found in different parts of the world. There are about 30 different species of butcherbirds, the most popular being the northern shrike, loggerhead shrike, and red-backed shrike. Butcherbirds are known for their unique hunting behavior. They have a strong beak with a hooked tip, which they use to catch and kill their prey. Unlike other birds of prey, such as eagles and hawks, butcherbirds do not have strong claws to grip their prey. Instead, they hang their catch on thorns, barbed wire, or even sharp branches, creating a warehouse to store their food. This habit of stabbing their prey gives them the nickname butcher bird. Butcherbirds feed primarily on insects, small birds, mice, lizards, and even small snakes. They are excellent hunters and have been observed to catch prey larger than themselves. After catching its prey, it uses its sharp beak to kill it by biting the back of the neck or head. These birds are also known for their unique song. They have a rhythmic and complex vocal repertoire, often imitating other birds and even other sounds in their environment. It has been observed that some species of butcherbirds imitate the calls of other birds, tricking them into approaching before attacking. Butcherbirds are territorial, defending their hunting grounds from intruders. They prefer open habitats such as grasslands, savannas, or wooded areas. They build their nests in trees, bushes, or dense vegetation, usually near their hunting grounds. The butcherbird is a widely distributed species found in different parts of the world. Different species of butcherbirds are found in different regions. The loggerhead shrike is native to North America. The northern shrike is another species of butcherbird that breeds in the Arctic tundra and taiga regions of North America and Eurasia. In Australia, the Australian magpie is also known as the butcherbird. It is important to note that butcherbirds are found in different environments and regions around the world, and there are different species with different distribution ranges.